Hello everybody, we have Cottie here. She's just being annoying. I'm gonna give her some cookies here. We have a package from Israel. This is the package. I'm a sucker for this type of stuff on eBay. I was watching this for a while. No bidders the first round. Second round, postage there. I bid my max. Somebody else actually bid on it too, and I won. So I really didn't need these, but I wanted to do a teardown. There's one. Renesas E8A. Two. And that is everything. All the bubbles are flat. Yeah. Cottie's wanting attention. I put my hand here. Kiss kissies. Okay. So yeah, the price on these was like too good to be true. So let's open it up. See what we got. This is one made in Japan with Chinese writing, but these should be genuine. They're really, really small. I'll show you. Compare it to a Flasher Pro. Big difference. That's a Portable Plus. This is a Flasher Pro. So, to a generic USB JTAG. Closer. To a Xilinx. Yeah, so this seller shipped pretty quick. So Cottie just wants attention, man. So this one's like, this one's been opened. I don't think this one was opened. That one's new. This one's been used. That's another connector. Okay. Oh, it's the Omni mic. Why is my other mic not working? Oh well. Well, audio on this is gonna suck. I forgot to turn my microphone on. It's plugged in. Yeah, I just forgot to turn it on my body. So, but I'll have to check these out. Same certificates. Same revision. Nothing on the back side. Box. So, well, that's it. We'll catch y'all later. Sorry about the audio. Nope, we gotta give Cottie her cookies. She wants her cookies. I gotta refill this cookie jar. There's Cottie's cookies. Be sure to like and subscribe. And we'll catch y'all later.